Please check with manual and this video to set the parameter to debug robot. Match settings in the CraftWK parameters. According to the welding machine to set, parameter number 1 is to set the welding current match, and the parameter number 2 is to set the welding voltage match. Weld settings in the CraftWK parameters. 1-0 is to set the group number of the parameter. 1-1 to 1-9 are set according to different requirements. 1-10 is the voltage of arc setting. 1-11 is the current of arc starting. 1-18 is the detection time of electrical arc, and 1-19 is the starting time. Swing weld settings in the CraftWK parameters. 2-0 is to set the group number of the parameter, setting parameters according to the requirements, such as the type, length, speed of the swing weld, etc. Search settings in the CraftWK parameter. 3-0 is to set the group number of the parameter, setting parameters according to the requirements such as the distance, speed, type, detection point of the search, etc. Arc tracking settings in the CraftWK parameter. 4-0 is to set the group number of the parameter, setting parameters according to the requirements, such as detection points, compensation, acceleration, compensation value, etc. Laser tracking settings in the CraftWK parameter. 5-0 is to set the group number of the parameter, setting parameters according to the requirements, such as communication, searching speed, distance, time, compensation value, etc. Create a new file named 2222. Switch the key mode into Teach mode. Move the start point and input the speed as 50. Move to the working point and input the speed as 100. Input ST1P1 to use number 1 group of searching parameter, and search along to the x-axis. Press F5 could check the instruction and input 7 to use WS to start swing weld. Input 0 to use number 0 group of swing weld parameter. Set the route of swing weld and record the end point. Use WE to end the swing weld. Record the end point and F1 to check the program. Back to the program interface and press F7 to execute the program. Switch the key mode into play mode. Press start to start the program. Move the pointer to the random line and press start directly. The robot could move to the line directly. It will easy to check each line and modify. Example for searching and swing weld. As the program set, the robot will searching the point along to the x-axis. When it touches the point, X42 will change into 1, which means effective, and the controller finds the point. X42 is the sample for detection point. Could set the any point as the touch point in the searching parameter.